Hey, turn your spare time into cash. Imagine getting paid for doing what you love, testing apps, playing exciting games, and sharing your opinions through quick surveys. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy way to make money online. Also, drop a comment below letting me know which country you're watching from. I'm always looking to make videos tailored to your region, so let me know. Alright, let's get straight to it. Have you ever wished you could make money just by testing out new apps, playing games, or answering a few quick surveys? Well, with a free app called Testimall, that's exactly what you can do. It's legit, it's free, and you can use it from pretty much anywhere around the globe. Here's how it works. First, you download the Testimall app. It's super simple to sign up. Once you're in, you'll see a ton of opportunities to test different games, apps, and even some products. The tasks are easy, like playing a couple of levels in a new game or giving your honest opinion about an app you try. For every task or survey you complete, you earn points. The more you test, the more you earn. And let me tell you, those points add up fast. You can swap your points for all kinds of rewards. Think exclusive discounts from top brands, gift cards to your favorite stores, or even direct cash payouts through PayPal. No waiting forever to get paid, no complicated hoops to jump through. What I really like is the variety. Some days you might be giving feedback on a new shopping app. Other days you're just leveling up in a game you'd probably play anyway. It's a smart way to turn your downtime into real rewards. So if you're looking for a side hustle that's actually fun and doesn't require special skills or a ton of free time, Testimall is definitely worth checking out. Remember, you can do this from anywhere, your couch, your commute, even during your lunch break. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you try out Testimall? What kinds of rewards would motivate you? Cash, gift cards, or discounts? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this video with a friend who wants to make some extra cash, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a side hustle tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.